You are speaking English. Oh, great. English is being spoken by you. You will learn English. English will be learned by you. If you see these two sentences, then you will find that the sentence construction is different. However, the meaning of these both two sentences is same. How does it happen? Yes, it is happened due to the passive voice and the active voice. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajendra. Today I'm going to talk about the passive voice. What is the importance of the passive voice? See, the passive voice is nothing but it is the construction of the sentences where the action is more important rather the doer or the subject. Yes, there are certain situations where the action plays important role rather subject. In those scenarios we can use the passive voice. Exactly, passive voice. Let's have a look on few example to understand it better. Car was stolen. So what is important about the car was stolen? It doesn't matter who is the thief. Another example, the project will be completed. Who will complete? It doesn't matter. But the matter is that the project will be completed. Lecture will be delivered. It is not important who is the teacher. It is important that the lecture will be delivered. Machine will be operated. It doesn't matter who is the operator, but the matter is that the machine is being operated. There are a certain example, so you will say that, oh, then is there any situation or is there any person who can use the passive voice? Yes, exactly. If you see the politician, then the maximum time the politician use the passive voice. If you see the diplomacy people, then the diplomacy people always use the passive voice. While talking with the higher authorities in the corporate sector, then you can mostly see the mostly the people use the passive voice. I'll give you some example for better understanding. For example, in the corporate sector, your boss didn't give you any information, and due to that information you couldn't complete a particular task, then you cannot blame your boss. That you cannot say that, oh, I didn't receive that instruction from my boss and that is why I could not finish that work. So rather to say that or rather to blame your boss, you can also use another way, that is in the passive voice, like this information was not received to me. It means, yeah, it doesn't matter from which that information is not received, but here you are giving important to not getting information or not getting that message to you. You can also take example in terms of politician, like most of the politician promises us to do many things to us. For example, creating jobs in the future. So when few reporter will ask them that it was been promised, so they say that, oh yeah, I know that those promises was promised, but they are not going to focus on who promised it, but yeah, these are the things was promised. So this is what the situation or the scenarios where the passive voice plays important role, and that's how we can effectively put our ideas before the people. So I guess you understand how to use the passive voice. Even though if you have any doubt regarding the passive voice, then let me know in the comment. I'll get back to you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.